Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to download Cryptology application on your iOS device. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. Open your App Store from your iOS device. In the search bar, type in Cryptology. Look for this application and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded Cryptology wallet on your iPhone. You can now start creating a wallet and get started with Cryptology. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.